Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record the screen on OPPO A60. In order to find and use the screen recorder, first we need to open the quick access, so swipe from the top to the bottom twice in order to open the quick access. Now in the top right corner, press on these three dots and then choose edit tiles. By default the screen recorder is hidden, so you might need to add it to the quick access. So over here in more functions we need to search for screen recording. I have mine over here and I can just simply press this button in order to add it to the tiles. Now after that I can go back and over here I have my screen recording. If I press this button, then of course when you use it for the first time you need to grant permissions, so we can choose while using the app. And over here we have some settings, so here we can choose to record system sound and record microphone sound. There we go. And when we are ready, then we can press this red button over here and we are now recording. Once we are done with the recording, we can press on the panel and then we can pause it and then record again, or we can press this check on the right side in order to end the recording. And there we go. Over here we have the video, so we can, for instance, go to files. Let's go to files by Google, and there we go over here. And here we can go to, let's say, videos in order to find the recorded video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.